Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by orienting components. Place the headband on a soft cloth with the attachment slots facing up. Once done, align the left and right ear cups with their corresponding slots. You'll notice a small notch that indexes correctly. Make sure the ear cup rails are parallel to the headband channels so they slide straight in. Don't force anything. Gentle pressure keeps clips from bending. If you have screws, line them up but don't tighten yet. Just seat parts so they move freely. Next, insert the ear cup rail into the headband channel using a shallow, controlled angle. You're guiding metal into a track, so steady pressure prevents misalignment. As you push, maintain even force and listen for the subtle click that indicates the internal latch engaged. Once both sides click, verify the cups retract and extend smoothly along the rails. This confirms correct seating. If screws are present, thread them in by hand until snug, leaving room for final adjustment so parts can settle without binding. To finish, tighten screws evenly to a firm, controlled snugness. Over-tightening risks stripping threads, so stop when resistance is consistent. Once secured, where the headphones and test fit, extend and retract each cup, swivel them, and flex the suspension to ensure normal movement. If something feels stiff or misaligned, make sure to loosen screws slightly and reseat the rail, cleaning any debris from the channel before retesting. One key troubleshooting tip: persistent.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.